All right, let's cut through all the noise about artificial intelligence. We're not going to talk about complex code or some wild sci-fi future. Nope. Today is all about AI as a real-world, super practical tool for people like you, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and side hustlers. Let's dive in.
AI is just everywhere, right? And honestly, it can feel like a lot. Is this just another tech trend we have to learn? Well, let's try and reframe that. This isn't some scary wave you need to run from. It's a tide you can learn to ride. The hype is definitely real, but you know what? So is the opportunity.
So to really grab hold of this opportunity, we got to speak the language. But don't worry, you're not going to need a computer science degree for this. We're just going to break down the key terms in a way that actually makes sense for your day-to-day.
First up, artificial intelligence, or AI. Put simply, it's about making technology that can mimic human smarts. You know, things we do every day, like learning something new, solving a puzzle, or understanding what someone's saying. AI is built to do all that, but at a scale and speed that's just mind-blowing.
Okay, next is machine learning, or ML. This is really the engine that makes AI so powerful. Instead of giving a computer a rigid set of rules, ML lets it learn from data. It spots patterns and gets smarter over time, kind of like we do. It's the reason your Netflix recommendations are so spookily accurate.
And then we've got natural language processing, or NLP. Think of this as the ultimate translator between us and machines. It's the tech that lets computers understand our words and even talk back. Ever used a customer service chatbot or had your email draft finished for you? Yep, that's NLP at work.
It's also really important to know there are two main types of AI. What we have right now is called narrow AI. Think of your Alexa or Siri. They're amazing at specific things, but they can't think outside their little box. General AI, the kind you see in the movies that can think and reason about anything, that's still just a theory. For us, the focus is all on narrow AI, the practical tool we can use today.
All right, enough with the definitions, right? Let's get to the good stuff, your new AI toolkit. How can this technology actually help you run your business or your side hustle, like starting today?
The benefits here are just so practical. AI can take over all those boring, repetitive tasks, which frees you up to do the creative, big picture stuff. It can sift through customer data to find trends you'd never see, totally supercharge your marketing, and even offer 24/7 customer support. In short, it's all about working smarter, not harder. And listen, this isn't just some theory. Here are tools you can go use right after this. Canva AI can whip up 5 different ad headlines in seconds. Notion AI is a total game changer for turning long, messy meeting notes into a clean list of action items. And platforms you probably already use, like HubSpot, Shopify, and Hootsuite, now have powerful AI features built right in.
Now, if this all still sounds a little bit futuristic, I want you to think again. Because here's the secret. You're already an expert AI user. You just might not know it yet. It's woven into pretty much everything you do online.
I mean, a huge chunk of your online experience is basically curated by AI. From the posts that pop up on your social media to the products recommended when you're shopping, AI is constantly working in the background, trying to personalize your world. It's already part of your routine.
Your Instagram or TikTok feed isn't random at all. AI is analyzing every single click, like, and view to predict what you'll want to see next. That's how it keeps you scrolling. And as a creator or a business owner, understanding that is the key to getting your stuff noticed.
Online shopping is the other perfect example. You know when Amazon suggests a product that feels like it was picked just for you? That's AI looking at your browsing history to create a tailor-made experience. It's a really powerful way to help customers and, let's be honest, boost sales.
So we've seen how incredibly powerful AI is, but that power comes with a big responsibility. And this isn't just a concern for giant tech companies. For any business, any brand, using AI wisely is absolutely critical for building real, long-term trust with your customers.
As creators and entrepreneurs, we're the ones deciding how to use this tech. So the big question is, how do we use these amazing tools in a way that actually builds our brand and earns that customer loyalty?
It pretty much boils down to 3 simple ideas. First, know what your tools are good at and what they're not. Second, be open with your customers about how you're using AI. And third, always protect their data. These aren't just guidelines, they're just plain smart business.
You've got to remember, AI tools are only as good as the data they learn from. So here's my advice. Think of AI as a brilliant but very junior assistant. You'd always double-check their work before it goes out to a client, right? Do the same thing here. It ensures quality and protects your brand's good name.
Okay, now let's tackle the big one, the question that's hanging over every single conversation about AI. What about our jobs? The story is usually about replacement and fear, but I want to offer a different way of looking at it. Let's see AI not as a competitor, but as a collaborator.
If you look at history, new technologies almost always change jobs. They don't just destroy them. Sure, AI is going to automate certain tasks, but it's also going to create totally new needs and new roles that mix our unique human skills with the efficiency of machines.
This is the real path forward. Let AI handle all the repetitive, data-crunching tasks. That frees up our brain power for the stuff that's uniquely human: creativity, strategic thinking, empathy, and building real relationships. AI is the tool. You are the strategist.
So AI is no longer on the horizon. It's here. It's more accessible than it has ever been. It's a tool just sitting there waiting for you to pick it up. Let's trade that fear of being replaced for the excitement of creation. The real question isn't if AI will change things anymore. It's what amazing things are you going to build with it.